Okay, so I wanted to say hello to everybody. I know it's been a little while since I have posted in here, and so I wanted to share with you these two products that I'm super convinced that every woman needs to have these two products, and I just love them myself. And so I wanted to share them with you today. And it is all about lash envy. And I'm not going to talk about mascara because, we've talked about those before. But right now, what I wanted to talk to you about is what you do to treat your lashes in order for them to be fuller, thicker, longer, and healthier. Okay, so the first product I want to share with you is our Lash and Brow Building Serum. And this is a product that you may not know we even carry, but what it is, if you can see here, the tip, it's basically just like a little wand that has this solution in it that you literally just brush along the lash line. And what it does is it actually helps to fill the lashes to make them look thicker, to make them look fuller, and all of that. And so I love this product. And the cool part is that, as I said, lash and brow building serum. So you can actually put it on your brows and kind of fill in those little spaces where sometimes you might be lacking in some hair. And so using this for 30 days every single day, you will notice a significant difference. And so I highly recommend our Lash and Brow Building Serum. And I have it on my nightstand, so I actually remember to put it on just right before bed. So that's our Lash and Brow Building Serum. And then the second one I wanted to share with you is our Lash Primer. These look very similar, okay, but one's a little bit skinnier than the other. The lash primer is all about helping your lashes to stay curled longer. Okay, and it has a cotton fiber wand, which is very unique. And this cotton fiber mixed in with these other bristles, what that does is it actually helps to coat and comb through your lashes. So what you would do, it's totally clear. So some people actually use this just as a clear mascara. But what you do is you actually apply this right before you put on your mascara. Okay. And the cool part about this as well is that it has something called, which you may have heard in shampoos and conditioners, called the Pro Vitamin B5 complex. And so yes, this actually helps to keep your lashes looking fuller and more healthy, and will also just help them to retain moisture, which the hydration will prevent your lashes from breaking. So when you use your eye makeup remover, you'll notice that your lashes don't break quite as often as well. So I love these two products, you guys. Our Lash and Brow Building Serum. You apply it every day. You're going to see thicker, fuller, longer in your brows and your lashes. And then the Lash Primer, use this before you put on your mascara, and you're going to notice an extreme difference between just using your mascara or using a primer first and then applying your mascara. You're just going to notice a huge difference. So those were my two little lash tips I wanted to share with you today. So hope you're having a wonderful day, ladies. Bye.